Hi everyone, it's Wayne. Hey, today I've got for you the Blackstone Adventure Ready knife kit. Um, this is for backpacking, camping, could be for fishing, whatever you might need it for. First thing is, I'm going to tell you what I don't like about it first of all. And this was a gift, and I'm thankful for it. But it's got a salt and pepper shaker up here on the top. And it fits tight. It ain't gonna fall out. As you can see, it's some work getting that out of there. But we don't want it falling out, right? Then you lose your knife, you lose your salt shaker, pepper shaker, and everything. So filled up here. Put the cap on it. And then S for salt, P for pepper. You know how that works. That'll be handy. That'll be handy. I'll use that when we're out on the go. And here's the meat of the system. Don't need this mouse here. Blackstone. Sharp stuff. Knives. Sharp stuff. Get it? That. And you know the quality of Blackstone. I mean, there's no doubt about it. Nice sharp knives. Little prep pad. It's more of a paring type knife. Ooh, that's sharp. It's more of a, I guess, a chef style. Right? Nice, tight fitting covers for the blades. So they're all nice and safe. And they roll up in this thick silicone pad. And it is nice and thick too. Blackstone did a good job with this. I like it. We're going to get a lot of use out of it because we're on the go. And thank my boy for the Christmas present. And thank Blackstone for making a good product. I know you'll like it too if you like to get out and around. Thanks. Enjoy it. Bye now.